Welcome! For making the Celtic Knot Mat we need a rope of like 1 meter and 80 centimeters. We take the standing part, this red part, and we make a little bite. We take the running hand, we turn it on itself and we make a bigger bite. The running hand, then I put it on under itself and over the standing part like this. So we have created a little bite here and a bigger one here. I take with 2 fingers, I hold the standing part and I pull a little bit. Then I take the running hand and I put it over like this. I pull everything and I put the rope over this part of the bite, inside the bite, and I come out in this part. Okay, and then I pull a little bit. Very good. Every time that I'm doing a piece of this knot, I take the rope, the running hand, and I pull with the hand. In this way, when I use the rope, doesn't create any loops like this. Then I take the running hand, I pass it over this part like this, inside, and I let it come outside from under the loop. Then another time I take the rope and I pull. Now I have to put the running hand over this bite and inside the knot. Very good. Now the first part of the knot is done. What I have to do? I have to pass the rope around the standing part. So this time is on the left side of this part and I have to do like this. And here on this intersection I have to put the running hand under this part, over, and the first part is done. Then around this little bite, and then I have to stay on the left of this part. So like this. Very good. Now here, over, under. I stay on this part, now inside and under this part and over this part. Now inside this part and under this part, over this part inside, and I finish by putting this part inside here. The knot is done, but as you can see, there is a piece of rope coming out. I can cut it for making a more symmetric knot, and this knot you can recognize it by 1, 2, 3, 4 holes, and the knot is done.